Let us begin the awarding of the runners-up. Starting with the fourth runner-up for Binibining Baler 2024.
To present the award to our Binibining Baler 2024 fourth runner-up. Our Binibining Baler 2024 fourth runner-up will receive sash, trophy, bouquet from Mailika, and 10,000 cash prize. To be presented by Dr. Stephanie Guerrero Cuerdo, Mr. Josh Tolentino, to be represented by Ms. Jackie Liao, Ms. Judith Sendak, and Attorney Patrick Alexis Angara.
The fourth runner-up. The fourth runner-up is Binibining Reserva. Like a May Imperial.
Congratulations again, Ms. Laika May Imperial, our fourth runner-up.
Next up, we have the third runner-up of 2024.
Our Binibining Baler 2024 third runner-up will receive sash, trophy, bouquet from Mailika, and 15,000 cash prize to be presented by Mr. RJ De Vera, Mr. Jairus Patrick Ritual, Ms. Cheska Anuy, and Ms. Mary Jane Dumpit.
The third runner-up is Binibining. Kalabuanan. Andrea Janelle Dela Cruz.
Congratulations, Ms. Andrea Janelle Dela Cruz, our third runner-up. And now for our second runner-up 2024.
Our Binibining Baler 2024 second runner-up will receive a crown, sash, and trophy, bouquet from Mailika, 3-month free membership from Pacific Gym, Dito SIM card with 1-year load, and 20,000 cash prize. To be presented by Engineer Heidi Bautista, Miss Jennifer Andal, Attorney Nikki Nicolas, Honorable Reynande Tolentino, to be represented by Mr. Cedric Tolentino, and Miss Ira Patricia Malaluan.
Second runner-up, we have Barangay Barangay Pingit. Binibining Jason May Fernandez. Congratulations, Ms. Jason May Fernandez, our second runner-up. And we are down to our top 2 finalists. Grabe, this is the moment. All right. But before we do so, may we also announce the prizes and presenters for both the first runner-up and Binibining Baler 2024.
Binibining Baler 2024 first runner-up will receive a crown, sash, and trophy. Bouquet from Mailikha, 6-month free membership from Pacific Gym. Dito SIM card with 1-year load and 30,000 cash prize. To be presented by Ms. Marizen Claire Ong, Ms. Frances Lauren Angara, Honorable Pedro Ong Jr., Honorable Romel Angara, to be represented by Ms. Lalaine Angara, and Ms. Christian Pauline Alere. And our Binibining Baler 2024 grand winner is also automatically the winner of Miss Costa Pacifica. Miss Costa Pacifica Choice Award will be presented by Mr. Chris Orta, the General Manager of Costa Pacifica Baler, and Ms. Wilma Escuejo, the Director of Sales and Marketing, Costa Pacifica Baler. The Binibining Baler 2024 will be represented by Ms. Ara Arida, Dr. Michelle Angara, Ms. Lian Angara, Mayor Red Angara, and Ms. Isa Denise De Leon.
We're going to announce first the winner of Binibining Baler 2024. The other finalists will be our first runner-up. I will repeat, we are going to announce first the winner of Binibining Baler 2024. The other finalists will be our first runner-up. Let's remind everyone that the first runner-up will have a very important role. If Binibining Baler 2024 fails to continue her reign, the first runner-up will be asked to continue as Binibining Baler 2024. So best of luck to the both of you.
Our new Binibining Baler 2024 is Barangay Poblacion Dor.
So that means Binibining Baler 2024 first runner-up is Barangay Poblacion 5, Miss Criza Ann Aguilar.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you all our new Binibining Baler 2024, Miss Joyce and Janelle Torano of Poblacion Dor. And just like that, another incredible chapter in the history of Binibining Baler comes to a close as tonight has been a celebration of beauty, talent, culture, and the amazing spirit of our community.
We've witnessed unforgettable moments and crowned a new queen who will represent Baler with pride and honor. It's been an evening filled with excitement, emotion, and above all, excellence. To our candidates, congratulations on your journeys. You've all shown remarkable dedication and grace, and we are so proud of each and every one of you. To our new Binibining Baler 2024, may your reign be filled with success, growth, and the fulfillment of all your dreams.
Once again, thank you to our judges, our sponsors, and everyone who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event a grand success. Your support and hard work has made tonight possible. And of course, thank you to our wonderful audience here in Baler Convention Center and everybody watching from home. To the Binibining Baler organizers, headed by Ms. Lian Angara, LGU Baler, headed by Mayor Red Ronan Angara, maraming salamat. To Gulian Events for directing our show tonight, thank you for bringing this event to all Balereños. Until next time, continue to celebrate the beauty, culture, and heritage of our beloved Baler.
Good night, everyone, and thank you for being part of this magical evening. This is Nailo Sherbaji.
And this is Victor Saline signing off.
Good night, Baler, and see you all next year in Binibining Baler 2025.
May we request the judges to please proceed on stage for the photo op. Thank you.
Marilag, binibining taglay ang sinag ng kalangitan. Dilag na may karangalan, tunay kang kaiingatan. Sa Baler na aking bayan nang ikaw ay matatagpuan. Luwalhati pambihira sa mangdako kanda mo'y masisihayan. Kabutihang tulog sa silangan, kasaysayan at tikas na kayamanan.
May we request our beloved Mayor Honorable Red Angara to please proceed on stage for the photo op. Thank you.